T-shirt chick.
What is up, Prince Squad? I'm back with another video, and as you guys know, y'all probably can hear the air conditioner. Y'all know I usually don't have the air on when I'm up in here filming, but today I do have a guest up in here, so you know I can't have him in here sweating and burning up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go back here and let you guys check out what we got going on. All right, you ready to be on video? I can film you.
Oh
yeah. All right. I don't know if y'all know this guy right here.
What's going on, guys? It's Robert from Inkadink LLC.
Right.
I was on a video, or not video, I was in her chat room earlier this morning. I needed some backup. She saved me for emulsion. I had some issues with my emulsion. It wasn't working correctly for me, and it would wash out on me. I guess, like Catspit said, I was getting underexposed on my emulsion, and it kept washing out. So I had to wait another 24 hours to do the emulsion again, and it did the same thing. Come to find out, it's my lights. My lights are not right. So be sure to get the right lights for your exposure unit, or buy one that's the correct lights. Don't go into panic mode like I am trying to get a job done and I can't do it.
Alright, squad, that was just a quick little video that, you know, I just wanted to let you guys see what I had going on today. We just burned a couple of screens just to help him out and everything. Hopefully he can get this order done and get it turned in, and hopefully y'all can hear me because he's back there watching that screen and the air conditioner is on. So yeah, it might be a little bit noisy, but I appreciate you guys watching. You know, just want to drop this little short video. So if you like the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both of my channels. If you don't know what they are, stay tuned to the end of this video and both of them will pop up at the end. And also make sure that you follow me on Instagram and join their Facebook group. And be sure to check below this video. I always leave links for products and equipment that I use in my videos. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you in another video. Prince Squad out.